I'm first generation American. My grandfather joined the Navy during the Korean War, and although all of his kids were born in the United States, he raised them all in the Philippines. When my older brother was born, they decided to ensure that we had as much opportunity as possible, and we were all born American citizens. You know, my grandmother was raised in the 40s and 50s, and she has moved from an industrial age to a technological age to the super advanced technological age. And man, I don't want to know what it's going to be like in 50 years because I don't think that I could possibly imagine that yet. But the people that we are helping get to that stage are in our schools right now. They're there to envision the next 50 years. We're in a region that is experiencing lots of growth, and the faces of our community are starting to change, and that's really important. And when we look at everyone's talent and ability, I think what we've been doing in the Puyallup School District over the last 3 years with an emphasis on career technical education is extremely important. We have an important role to play in what happens with the global economy, and it's equipping our future generations and our students to be able to understand what the demands of that is going to be on them and what the potentials is for them to dream about what they could do with those things. My name is Joseph Romero, and that's my point of view.